Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me and Sounds. Today I'll be sharing with you guys how to use the 736 progression, and I'll be using 5 songs as an example. So with these 5 songs, you'll be able to see how to apply this 736 progression in any worship song. So please, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button down there. Okay, we're on the key of F sharp. The 736, I'll play it slowly, then I'll show you guys how to apply it in 5 different songs. Then with those 5 different songs, you'll be able to see how to apply them in any other song. Now let's go. 736. Which is okay, song number 1. Let's use the song as an example. Give thanks. Okay, while I was playing the song Give Thanks, I did 736 with a grateful heart. Give thanks. So it's give thanks with a 736. Da 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 da. This part, because of what? Because of what? The 736, the Lord for give thanks. So song number 2 is it's a swing song, so it's a worship song. It's a very simple song, and in this kind of swing song, to play 736, you have to play it more fast, stuff like this, and you have to move it like grace note. Now this is 736, which I just showed you guys. Now if you want to play it like this, we first of all go back a whole step. So if you want to play it now in a swing jazz pattern, you do it like this, which is 736. Oh, sorry. Now let's go to the song. He wrote my name with his golden pen. Can see it. He wrote my name. He wrote my name. Seven, 3, 6. Then my name is there. Just like that. So whenever you are going to your 6th, that's when you use it. just play it again. Or you can do it like the way I showed you guys. Then my name is there. Something like that. Then now let's go to the third song. It's a worship song. That wonderful name, Jesus. That wonderful name, Jesus. That wonderful name, Jesus. There is no other name I know. Okay, now that wonderful name, Jesus. Now it's not going to go to the one. You can just go to your C's with the 7 3 6. That wonderful name, Jesus. That wonderful name. I'll take it again. 76. That wonderful name, Jesus. That wonderful name. We are going to the 76 again. 76. Okay, that's song number 3. Now let's go to song number 4. I hear the chains falling. If you want to go to this 176, you can use your 7 3 6. I hear the chains falling. I hear the chains falling. So that's song number 4. Song number 5. Fill me up till I overflow. I wanna run over. Fill me up. So before the song actually comes in, you can actually do your 7 3 6. Now watch the way I did it. The way I first of all showed you guys the grace note pattern. Fill me up till I overflow. I wanna know. You can see it. 76 till I overflow. I wanna know. Da, 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 da. So that's it, guys. So anytime a song is going to the 6th, you can use your 7 3 6. So please, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching. God bless you. Please subscribe.